Dito ito nga on idot mag-surf. Dili makaidagko ra pud noon. That's the boulevard. Today people, time check, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and if you see my live stream this morning, see the difference. Yeah, it should be like this, the boulevard. Wow, sand formation, it's beautiful. Wow. Yeah, this is the boulevard. And not really good sunset. Ooh, it's so nice. Wow, amazing.